my jacket on 1,000 times. I took it off 1,000 times. Okay? This is stupid. I'm done. They can beat me up if they want to. And you know why you only have one student? Because you don't know Kung Fu.
小追
What?
come here. Check it on.
Miss Han, I already...
Check it on. Check it on.
I don't have a jacket.
Check it on. Be strong. Check it on. Firm. Check it off. Remember, always strong. Check it off. Strong. Left foot back. Right feet back. Left feet back. Pick up your jacket.
Ooh, Mr.
Focus.
Okay.
Always concentrate. Left back. Right foot back. Pick up your jacket. Stay. Pick up your jacket. Be strong. Hang it up. Hang it up. Hang up. And attitude. Strike. Hang up and attitude. Harder. Harder. Good. But no face. Check it out. Kung Fu lives in everything we do, Xiao Zui. It lives in how we put on the jacket, how we take off the jacket. It lives in how we treat people. Everything is Kung Fu.